Let us talk about what actually matters in daily use. The biggest story here is the A18 Pro chip. Yes, the exact same silicon powering the latest flagship iPhones is now running a full desktop operating system in macOS Tahoe. The real-world utility of this setup is genuinely surprising. My daily workflow involves heavy web browsing, managing spreadsheets, and basic photo editing. The A18 Pro crushed all of it without breaking a sweat. Because it's an incredibly efficient mobile processor, there are no fans inside this machine. It is dead silent. Another major feature is the repairability. I tore this machine down and I was shocked by what I found. Apple ditched the horrible industrial glue they've used for a decade. The battery is seated on a tray secured by 18 standard screws. You can easily swap out the keyboard, the camera, and the battery yourself. For a company that usually locks down its hardware, this is a massive win for the consumer and significantly extends the market value of the laptop over time. Battery life is another huge practical benefit. I reliably got around 15 hours of continuous use on a single charge. And when it was finally time to plug in, I did not need a massive power brick. The Neo charges perfectly fine with a standard 20-watt iPhone charger, meaning you only need one tiny plug in your backpack.